Okay, so there was 7:30 advanced GDP. Didn't seem to really affect too much that I can see as far as performance goes. I'll take that back. Oh, it's a pretty nice little pop. 4-point pop as a result of that. Coronavirus outbreak spreads to India. Looks like negative news cycle. These news guys are always looking to take advantage of it. So I'm going to watch the news pretty closely today. Yesterday, we had tested off the 60-point control into the upper KLVN of Tuesdays range and could not extend past 63 and hold above it. This, combined with the coronavirus news, caused a very large sell-off. We sold back down into the LVA that we'd left, and now we're likely going to start building a structure here. The weekly is tri-modal with a point of control just below 60. It's 59.1. Last week was an inside period, and now we've broken out of that inside period to the downside. This could be a pretty crucial moment for the longs. They can't hold this. We are at the edge of a multi-day balance. Inability to close this gap may mean we may continue much lower. From a structure perspective, after the large sell-off, we tested the large point of control at 60, nearly a tick before making a new low of day. So that could be a crucial area. Probably will be a crucial area. Now the expected behavior is a test of yesterday's point of control and continue lower. That would be 56, but that's a little bit higher time frame. Now that was before we gapped down really. So the overnight has already sold off through 44 as of the time of this. That was last night. So yesterday's profile is balanced with a neutral point of control with two large KLVNs above and below the point of control. I would say there's a large one above, but now there's the lower one's not really there anymore. Additionally, yesterday was an outside day, somewhat of a B-shaped profile in the overnight with a point of control low in the profile. That's still the case, yeah. The current price says that the sell-off from yesterday continued and the point of control couldn't move. The sell-off from yesterday continued and the point of control moving down couldn't hold it up. Now we're gap down holding the 1635 HGN, which is a good over-under as far as price action today. A test up that fails and pushes right back through 35 may test 27 and 15 depending on how radical the moves are. Volatility is up, so we could see that. Now, and we're also at the 55 SMA again, so I expect big money to be hitting the market today. The plan below 42 is all low volume area. It's kind of it's a lower KLVN from the larger structure. So my expectation is that we would test up to the half gap before retesting 36. Since we're gap down, I'm leaning short, so 42/45 are really holding points for the short. 45 is that point of control from Monday, maybe. I forget which day it is. And the other alternative is that we just process this area until we break in one direction or the other, long or short. That looks like rotations and point of control shifting around, no real continuation. And we should be able to see if there's no real continuation right away. The short plans are staying below 42.45 will help us stay short, testing 33, 35, possibly 27, forming a base above 35, not taking 35 out and breaking that down. And forming a base there may mean that we break out higher. So today is going to be I wouldn't say a trickier day. They're all tricky days, but we really want to be focused on what happens at 33.35, what happens at 42.45. I'm not going to jump anything right away. What I need to do is, and actually I dropped my my Renkos down or up to 20 points. 20 ticks rather than the 10, so that should limit opportunity here. And I've dropped my risk to 9. So that's it for today on the rut.